Hello, so this is a lantern I bought on an auction. It's not a real lantern, it's like a replica. So I didn't like the looks of it, so I'm just gonna paint it with some plaster by Waverly. After painting it out completely, I we're gonna use the heat tool and dried it. And here is, we need some lights. We need something. So I bought these twinkle lights on Amazon. They're really pretty. So I'm going to feed it through the bottom and then we'll pull the rest out and the opening on the top. And I'm going to glue this down so you can't see it and use some hot glue. I made sure I placed it in the right side up so this way when the battery needs to be replaced, all you got to do is just use a screwdriver to open the little door there. Just holding it here till it dries and just feeding it through now. Now, this little bird I bought at Hobby Lobby, it's actually a salt and pepper shaker. So, gonna paint it and I'm gonna use this red, it's called Christmas red, and then black. Gonna mix the two and it turns out to this pretty purple color. There we go. You can use any color you like. I wanted this bird to be a little different. So I took the little cork, the plastic cork that was on the bottom, I took it out and I'm actually using my finger to hold it up and paint it. After painting it, we dried it. It got a little hot, so I'm trying to cool it off here by blowing on it. Just be careful. Don't really suggest to do that, but that's what I did. Now my brush had some still on the plaster Waverly color on it, and it was just dipped in some water, and what it does is when you do that, the paint just dilutes a little bit and it spreads so much easier. I didn't want it to be a bright white, so by doing this it just gives it just a little tint. What I'm doing is I'm painting where the wings are on each side. I'm also going to do the tail. As you can see, it's optional. You do whatever you like. I also decided to paint the bird's little head, add a little bit of white on the head, and I also did that to the beak. Didn't realize if I didn't crop the video to make it a little bit shorter here, so I do apologize. And after I painted each side, I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna dry it. I hope everyone's having a great day. And here we go. We're gonna end up drying it right here. Be careful you don't burn yourself. After it's all dry, we're going to put it to the side because I decided I wanted to distress and make this look a little bit older. Give it that antique look. This is just regular black ink. Nothing fancy. I decided I wanted to go around and make certain areas pop. So I just went around the rim and on the sides also did the same thing to the bottom. It just gives it a different look and it makes it look prettier. I love it. Also, I decided to go in with some brown wax. I didn't do everywhere. I just wanted to give it that old antique look. Look how pretty that is. Oh, it looks so much better in person. I love it. And now I'm going to seal it. So here, this is a Clear Max sealer. Just make sure you have a window open and well ventilated. You don't want to pass out or anything else like that. I actually had a ceiling fan and a regular fan blowing, also window open. Since this is a salt and pepper shaker, it has opening on top, two openings. I grabbed some green floral wire and I fed it through the bottom and pulled out on each end. Now, since there is nothing to hold the bird inside, I had to be a little creative and I got some wood and I glued that down to the bird. Now, this looks like a pen. It's actually like a blade to make holes and cut certain items. So I made a hole, fed the floral wire on each end. So it looks like the bird is like on a swing. I added a little small piece of wood that I cut to fit the inside, and then I glued it so it holds the little birdie. This is what it looks like. It's so much better in person. Can barely see the bird because it's not coming out great on this video, but if you saw it, it's beautiful. And I also gonna show you pictures. So I still felt like I need a little bit more. I grabbed Jubilee fabric, I made a messy bow, and this is just showing you what it looks like with the light dim. I hope you like it. Have a great day.